Esselstyn.
I'm Ann Esselstyn.
And today we're cooking out of our book, Be a Plant-Based Woman Warrior.
Live fierce, stay bold, eat delicious.
And we're cooking this burger, which is called
Bean Burgers in a Flash.
And it's
the reason, go ahead.
Oh, it's on page 241 if you're following along.
And the reason that I came up with this burger is that we have a most delicious plant-based woman warrior burger, but it takes a little.
We'll fly that in here.
It takes a little bit of cooking, or anyway, ahead of time. What I like about this is it really is pretty quick.
In a flash.
In a flash.
All right, you're driving, Ann. How does it go? Let's see it.
So let's start with 1 cup of rinsed.
1 can.
Oh, 1 can. I'm sorry, 1 can
15
of
ounces,
rinsed,
cup and a half.
A cup and a half to 2 cups. Black beans go into the pot. And then I'm going to put in half a cup of, I think it's half a cup of oats. And then I am going to put in, Jane, I want a tablespoon of chili powder.
Tablespoon?
A tablespoon of chili powder.
And then,
thank you.
You're welcome.
And I want half a teaspoon of turmeric.
Half a teaspoon of turmeric. This must give it a good nice color. You eat so much turmeric in your breakfast every morning.
Yeah.
You're almost down to the bottom here. I'm going to do 2 of these. So what's after that?
So
and then
I actually didn't put in the onion yet because it's I say 1 medium onion chopped. And
that's
about
enormous.
A cup. This is a lot, but I'm putting it in anyway because it was half an onion.
And if you had smell-o-vision, you could see like this cloud of onion just in the air.
And then, Jane, did you put in the flax?
I did not. I think
2 tablespoons of flax.
2 tablespoons. 1, 2.
And now, I'm going to put in 3 tablespoons of a salsa. And you want to get a salsa that's kind of got some thickness to it.
We like Green Mountain Gringo.
But and you can
mild.
If
We're so pathetic.
Yeah, but if you like hot, put in a hot salsa. And then the only thing that I had to cook here was, and it took literally a minute. I know this is optional, but I would say it's not optional, it's important.
You are a bully for greens, so yes, it should say
so this is some chopped, any greens. This happens to be kale, and I'm going to just sort of squeeze it so I get the water out. And
what's
then,
the culinary term for squeezing your greens? I'm kidding. We're so not culinary.
Is there a culinary term?
Probably not.
Draining out the juice. Do I have everything in here?
Yes.
And then you simply put your hands in and mush.
I'm saying them out loud. Beans, onions, oats, chili powder, turmeric, flaxseed, salsa, and greens.
Did we get anything missing?
No, it sounds like it's all there.
But have to do this. This is
That's a lot of onion in there today, Mommy.
Well, it's good.
I know, it looks great. So you're just going to work this until you form the texture of burgers, or what's the?
Yeah.
I mean,
then where's my tray? No,
tray?
I'm going to I'm not putting them on a tray. I'm not baking them.
You're putting them in a pan?
I'm going to put them in a pan, and
over medium-high heat, because
medium-high heat.
I'm going to make sure it's medium-high heat because I want to make sure that we're saying the right thing.
And we put the flax seed in here, and flax helps to sort of make it stick together.
Yeah.
So you see, it really is nice burgery.
Oh!
And then rather than doing it with the cups method that is so cool, I'm just going to do some little burger here. How
many do you usually make? This
makes about 5. I can usually get about 5.
Okay, this is.
And in this pan, I'm going to just do 3.
Let's do what we can do, eh? If we're going to cook them,
let's cook
them.
These are good and they're easy. And actually, we had them maybe last night, and we just had the burgers. We had asparagus, a salad, and amazing French fries that we just bake in the oven. I mean, it was such a good dinner.
I think we have a French fry video.
Do we have a fry?
I think we do. If we do, we'll fly it in. If not, we'll
Because-
do it. We should do it again because I'm sure we've updated some techniques.
All right, I'm just going to start
Actually,
with
go for the
those
fourth. Go for that. Just let's get them all in there.
It's just, really?
Yeah.
It's crowding it.
That's crowd away. But this is so like.
I mean, it's quick.
I remember having burgers with somebody one time, and they called them inside-out burgers, and I was like, "What does that mean?" You said, "Oh, like we put all the stuff we would put on the outside of the burger on the inside. So like they had onions and pickles and things on the inside when they cooked it. So this looks like a outside burger because everything we want to have on top of a burger is actually in this burger. So that's perfect, Mom. You've got 5 exactly. I think it's going to be nice when it cooks and all the onions are going to cook along with it. So I've got this on medium-high. We'll put it over here and then we're going to let them cook for a little bit.
Yeah, you cook them about 4 or 5 minutes on a side. Now, what makes a difference to me, definitely always put
Romesco?
barbecue sauce on them. And
When do we put it? Like after we cook it or
well,
in the middle?
There's 2 problems. I actually put it on both sides and cook it, but it kind of maybe burns a little. So if you don't want it to burn, put it on one side.
Well, how about adding it later in the process?
Yeah.
I think we'll do that and we'll show doing that. All right, so we'll take a quick break while it's cooking. Be right back. So we're flipping them over, and I think we're going to add a little barbecue sauce. So Ann, can you get a little barbecue sauce on each of these?
Yep.
Ooh. I think the onions, that we use so much extra onion, it's making it fall apart a little bit more than it usually does. But we could not be stopped as far as adding all that onion, so.
I had that onion, I had to use it. I'm no good at just doing what I have to put in.
All right, so add the barbecue sauce as you would. And
where's the barbecue sauce?
And it's right here.
going?
Barbecue sauce is right here. And do what you want with that. And that will add some great flavor and make the whole kitchen smell great.
I'm running out.
Just use a little less on all of them. We're using as much barbecue sauce as we own right now.
And actually, I often, as I said, I put it on both sides, and it will tend to be a little burny if you do that. Let's borrow some from some of these.
Okay. All right, so we had them about 3-4 minutes on the one side, and then we're going to flip these in a minute or two when they're ready. Let's give them a minute or two.
Excuse me a minute. I'm going to just... The way this works the best is in a wonderful, brand new
Non-stick
pan.
Because we find when we have non-stick pans, and then they become sort of stick pans, and then they become full stick pans, and then we have to get a new non-stick pan. Ooh, those look good.
Woo-hoo-hoo.
Ooh.
We need barbecue sauce on this side, Jane.
Okay.
And they're done.
I'm opening a new one.
We need to.
I'm opening a new one. And then
I blew these.
what do you mean you blew it?
I blew these by putting so much onion in, but it doesn't matter. They still taste even better with all the onion in them.
Okay, I'm coming with the barbecue sauce when you're ready.
Jane,
They're ready? Mm-hmm. Ooh. About a tablespoon on each. Mm-hmm. This is really hot. This is really hot above all of our hands.
You got it.
Okie doke.
About a teaspoon on each.
Sorry, teaspoon each. Okay, so do we eat it now or do we cook it longer? What would you say?
Well, ideally, give it one flip.
Oh, geez.
Well, that disappeared. Anyway, let's go.
Here you go.
Such is life.
Here you go.
You improvise with too much onion and you pay for it, but you don't pay in taste. So here we go. Burger in there.
Oh, yes. here you go. I'd like to try one.
Plain?
Yeah. I'd like to, hold on. There you go. I'd like to try one. I want to try the burger as a burger. Just.
As I said, this is what we had the other night, and it was just so good. The plain burger, no buns.
I'm gonna get all my fixins. I think
Oh, good.
it's gonna have a good barbecue taste, but I still want to add some ketchup and mustard.
And I, of course,
You add hummus to everything.
will put
Really?
hummus. Well, I don't have any way to put.
Oh, look, I'm being all chefy. I'm being all chefy. Oh,
I'm putting
you know what?
hummus on one.
Okay, and that's, I think for Wade, let's put some sriracha because he is a hot sauce
Of course,
lover.
I'm putting sprouts.
Greens, arugula. We've got arugula. We love arugula
You
on
want
our
some
burgers.
sprouts on yours
Sure.
or not?
Mine looks like a 5-star restaurant. Topless and bottomless burger. Where do you want arugula?
Wait a minute.
Chef Karen would be
Now,
proud.
you figure out what Wade needs on his.
All right, Wade likes mustard. Mustard. That enough mustard?
That's good.
And I suppose some
Maybe like half
guacamole
amount
would, maybe Wade would like that.
Half amount as last time.
half amount that you would
I
like.
flooded his burger.
That's perfect.
Same amount of hot sauce.
Yeah.
You can do that much hot sauce?
That's good.
Wow. Okay, and guac. Want a little guac?
Yeah.
Guaca. Oh, I'm gonna put it on the top bun. Okay. Whew. All right.
Keeping burger.
Now. All right, now I'm gonna work on my burger. Okay.
Wait a minute.
Oh,
I got two bottoms. Shoot.
How funny. She got 2 bottoms, he got 2 tops. Look at that. So I have mine ready to try. Wade, I'm gonna cut yours in half, okay? Yep. And Mom, you want yours cut in half, or are you gonna barehand it?
I'll barehand it. One of my problems on these is 2 things. Too much onion.
One of the problems is 2 things.
So, well, one of them is too much onion, so that the burger falls apart. Ooh, delicious.
That's what was Wade's.
It's mine. I ate it.
All right, Wade, here you go. Coming your way, yummy. Okay. Oh, I need a fork. Too much onion. And what was the other issue?
A really good nonstick pan helps.
Oh yeah, we have a mildly stick pan. Mom, these are really good.
Yeah.
And the onions actually taste great.
I tell you.
Burgers in a flash. Bean burgers in a flash.
Just make a little less onion than I did, and it'll stick together better. But it's good however you eat it. Doesn't matter.
Yes. All right. So let us know what you put on your burgers, and we're going to finish our burgers here. Thank you so much. Bye.
Bye.